So, watch your spending, no? So, meron dito, Virgo, no? So, watch your spending, no? Maybe masyado kayong napapagastos recently, no? So, tipid-tipid rin daw, no? Kasi nga ay, maybe for some of you, medyo tight ang inyong mga budget right now, no? So, kailangan ay magtipid-tipid. Kung hindi naman kailangan, ay wag na lang munang bilhin, no? Pag may extra na lang talaga, right? No? So, what else? So, sudden change, no? Job, business, career, status, no? So, yeah, for some of you, no, maybe ay may nagbabalak na rin dito na mag-change of career. Yeah, maybe kasi ay hindi na maganda ang nagiging takbo ng inyong mga yan with the job, no? Kung businessman, no? For some of you, baka hindi na nagiging maganda yung profit, no?